Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Solving Problems in My Farm. Today I'm not in my farm, I'm in the blackboard because we're going to learn some calculations, important calculations for fertilizer management. So for today we have a quick video so you can learn each of the steps that you need to follow in order to calculate the amount of fertilizer that you need to add if you want to target a specific part per million. In this case, we're going to put as an example nitrogen. These calculations can be used for organic production and also traditional production. So in all cases, when we're working with hydroponics, you will have a fertilizer and the fertilizer will have a label. So you need to look for the label in order to start with the calculations. So first, let's start making a list of the steps that you need to follow. So step number 1 will be to check the label. So every time you buy a fertilizer, you will have a label, and the label will show some percentages. So sometimes we have, for example, nitrogen, and it's showing, I don't know, like 20%. I'm just making numbers. So when you have 20%, then that's your label. And you will have way more nutrients in here, but just let's start with nitrogen. So now let's just remember that we want to work in parts per million, which is milligrams per liter. And this will be the amount of fertilizer that you will be adding, meaning that if you add specific milligrams per liter of the fertilizer, you will be hitting a specific PPM. So since we have a percentage in here, we know then that for every 100 milligrams per liter of fertilizer, I will be adding 20 parts per million of nitrogen. If you're not very good doing calculations, don't worry, here is why. So this is 20%, so if you have 100 milligrams per liter and you get 20% of this, then you will get 20. So that's how we get 20 parts per million. So now is where everything becomes really easy. You know now that by adding 100 milligrams per liter, you're getting 20 parts per million of nitrogen. So let's say that your target is 200 ppm. So I'm just making numbers in here. You sometimes, you check your nutrient profile and you notice that nitrogen is going down and you need to add a little bit more. This is, for example, something that we see most of the time in organic fertilizers. We need to check, the nutrient profile, and based on that, you can add more fertilizer. Also, we see this in traditional production. When you are recirculating water, sometimes some of the nutrients, actually, one of the nutrients that get reduced really quickly is potassium, for example. So I'm just making the example here with nitrogen, but you can see this with any other nutrient. So based on that, based on your information and your target, then you decide how much you need to add. So in this case, let's say that you made your analysis and now you want to add 200 ppm of nitrogen. So now everything becomes really simple. So then this is a rule of 3. You just need to multiply in here and divide in here, and that will give you 1000 milligrams per liter, meaning that you need to add 1000 milligrams per liter of the fertilizer in order to hit 200 parts per million. And that's it. That's how you add your fertilizer in order to target a specific ppm. Another important aspect is to check if the compound that you are using is providing another element. So you always need to check the label and check the percentages that are linked to the elements. And for example, if you have a fertilizer that is including calcium, you will need also to calculate the amount of calcium that that fertilizer is providing. This is just a quick video on how to make calculations, very straightforward. So now you know if you want to do calculations on how much fertilizer do you need to add based on a fertilizer that you have in your facility, then you need always to check the label and do this calculation. So if you have any questions, just leave comments below. Remember to subscribe if you want to learn more about controlled environment agriculture. My name is Karla Garcia, Hort Americas Technical Service. See you on the next video.